Hello friends, what do you think for today's manufacturing machines and systems? We see and listen everywhere about automation and the machines are synchronizing with the computers. So this is Ajay Gupta from Mechanical Engineering Department welcomes you to the zone of learning. Today we will learn about a concept and definition of computer aided manufacturing that is briefly known as CAM. Friends, as the name indicated, manufacturing process or machines are connected with the computer, then it is known as computer aided manufacturing. So now let's move forward and let's see the concept of the computer aided manufacturing. The manufacturing is the activity of making components, products and system, and is therefore one of the most important engineering activities. The economic prosperity of any country is directly linked to the nation's manufacturing capabilities. The prosperity of nation and the quality of the life of the people depends on the production capacity. Engineering goods are generally designed and quality is interfere and expensive comparable. In addition, companies often do not ship orders on the delivery date. All these deficiencies are in fact due to the inability of production to keep pace with development. All these defects can be improved by improving the level of automation. So now, in the manufacturing industry, automation began in the Industrial Revolution during the 1750s. Although the process of the metal work began was developed in 4000 BC. The next one is the acupuncture was developed in the late 1890s and the early 90s. The growing mass production technologies and transfer machines were developed in the 1920s. After that, due to the gradual industrialization and automation, the currency of automation increased in order to reach the public demand. During the 1930s and 1940s, there was a lot of labor and unrest between the machinery and the management of the big companies. Most machines need to be controlled to operate the machines. For example, there are many types of control system: manufacturing control, automatic control, computer control and remote control. As technology evolved, electronic and computer technology was applied to production machine to reduce the production time and increase both quality and efficiency. The great breakthrough in automation came in the 1950s with the invention of numerical control in the machine tools, which used computer in automation. Computer aided manufacturing. So now let's see the historical background of the computer aided manufacturing system. So firstly, in 1947, J. Parson Corporation launches experiment to control the speed of the machine tool using 3-axis coverage data for the production of aircraft parts. Then moving forward, in 1949, Parson was awarded as US Air Force contract to build the first ANSI machine. Then in 1950, CAM was developed with the numerical machine ANSI system. This system was directed by a set of instructions coded in the punch tape. Afterwards, in 1951, the MIT Institute was included in the project, and then after in 1952 the first successful demo version of the ANSI machine was released. The machine was a 3-axis type vertical machine center controlled by a full room of vacuum tube electronics. Then the development occurs, and further in 1955 and 1959 and also and so years the development increases and research undergoes. Then after in 1960, direct numerical control DNC. This eliminated the paper tape punch program, allowing the programmers to send files directly to the machine tool. Then again the development occurs and in 1965, after a long time, the CAD drafting and sculptural surface were developed and the 7700 NC machines were installed in the same year. Then further in 1968, 1970s and 1976 the development goes on. After that in 1980s, graphic based computer system were introduced. Unix and PC based system become available to the market. Then further, after a long time in 1989, expert CAM/CAD system was developed, and which is in 1990 the system CNC technology become cheaper. Then further movement goes on, and today also the researches are on this computer aided manufacturing or CAM system or CNC or ANSYS system is going on, and daily new technologies are developed. So now let's see the definition of the computer aided manufacturing. As we earlier discussed, as per the name indicated, there is a manufacturing which is connected with the computer, then it is simply known as the computer aided manufacturing. But the real definition of computer aided manufacturing is a process of use of computers in planning, manufacturing, inspecting and controlling the manufacturing operation directly or indirectly is called computer aided manufacturing. The various instruction in the computer aided product section is shown in this chart. So first you can see the geometric model is prepared, and then after the process is going for the planning. After the planning, the NC part program is prepared, and then this NC part program is inserted into the machine, and machine will start the manufacturing or cutting. Then after preparing the component, the inspection is carried out, and then after assembly and after that there is a packing and delivery of the component. So this whole process include in the computer aided manufacturing system. All the system is connected with the computer, then it is known as CAM. So hope you like this video, and we will meet in the next video with some more learning topic. Thanks for watching this video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.